After touching record highs, gold and silver prices are witnessing a sharp correction, leaving investors confused. Should they sell, hold, or buy? Since the start of 2026, precious metals had been on a dream run. Gold gained in double digits, while silver surged over 50%. Last Thursday, both metals hit all-time highs in international markets. But the rally reversed dramatically. Gold, which had climbed to nearly $5,600 per ounce, slipped to the $4,500 to $4,700 range within days, a fall of up to 8%. In India, 24-carat gold dropped from around Rs 1.69 lakh to nearly Rs 1.51 lakh per 10 grams. Silver saw an even sharper fall. After hitting a record $121 per ounce, prices crashed over 30%, the steepest fall since 1980. In India, silver declined from Rs 4.20 lakh to nearly Rs 3.45 lakh per kilogram. Gold and silver ETFs were not spared. Gold ETFs fell up to 6%, while silver ETFs plunged as much as 15%, forcing exchanges to impose circuit limits. So what triggered the sell-off? Experts point to profit booking, a stronger US dollar, and fresh uncertainty after US President Donald Trump nominated Kevin Warsh as Federal Reserve Chair, seen as a hawk on inflation. Adding fuel to the fall, the CME Group raised margin requirements for gold and silver futures, triggering forced liquidations across global markets. Now the big question, what should investors do? On gold, many experts remain optimistic. JP Morgan expects gold prices to move towards $5,000 to $6,300 per ounce by end 2026, backed by strong central bank buying and geopolitical uncertainty. For long-term investors, gold continues to be seen as a portfolio hedge. Silver, however, remains more volatile. With no central bank support and a smaller market size, experts advise caution. Some recommend trimming excess exposure, while others believe the correction is healthy and silver may hold above current levels. The bottom line, long-term gold investors may hold or accumulate gradually. Silver investors should reassess risk and exposure carefully, as volatility is likely to persist.